this is another airdrop alert. So if you like free money and free crypto, make sure you watch this video. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. So as the title says, this is another airdrop alert. As you guys know, a while back, I started staking Atom, Juno, Secret Network, and Osmosis. So this airdrop that I'm about to show you does reward stakers of Juno and Osmosis. So if you have been staking those since I started staking them, most likely you qualify for this airdrop and this free money. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly how to claim your free crypto. Let's go. All right, so this airdrop is for the WYND token. I will include the link in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And as you can see, you have 85 days to claim this airdrop. So far, over 17% of the tokens have been claimed. Also, all airdrop tokens will be vesting, meaning that they can be used for voting and staking from day one. But it will take a full year until they can all be freely transferred and sold. So this is a long-term play for sure. And all you have to do to pretty much claim your free tokens is click on the bottom right corner where it says connect wallet and check eligibility. So we're going to press it and boom, our Kepler wallet has been connected. And as you can see, we qualify to receive 368.79 WYND tokens. And all you have to do after is press claim now. We're going to press submit. This will add the token to our Kepler wallet. We're going to press submit. We're going to go even lower fees. We're going to press approve. All right, now it is loading. But as you guys can see, I have successfully received 368 WYND tokens. All right, this is their website. As you can see, it is very simple, probably because it is still under development. But I'm happy to announce that the majority of the coins are going to be airdropped. That is always a good sign. All right, so once staking is released, I will make another video, guys, showing you how to stake your WYND tokens. So for you to be eligible to receive this airdrop, you would have had to stake Osmosis, Juno, or Regen. And these are the snapshots. For Osmosis and Regen, you would have to be staking on May 5th, 2022. And for Juno on May 6th, 2022. And as you can see, over 70 million of WYND tokens are going to be airdropped. This is just the first round, where 2 million of WYND tokens are airdropped for Juno validators, 2 million for Osmosis validators, and 1.4 million for Regen validators. So this is just the beginning. Expect more airdrops from the WYND token. Also, guys, I initially staked $1,000. I put $250 into Atom, $250 into Osmosis, $250 into Secret Network, and $250 into Juno. And as you can see, I am down big time, over 60%. Now my $1,000 is only worth $324. And that is absolutely fine with me. My plan is to accumulate as many of these free airdrops as I possibly can. So if the bear market lasts 6 months or if it lasts 2 years, during the entire bear market, I will be receiving free airdrops. And who knows, one of these airdrops might 100x or 1000x, and in the next bull market, it might make me millions. I know a lot of them are going to be completely worthless, but I am betting on one to be the winner and make me a ton of money in the process. So I'm absolutely fine going from $1,000 to $300. That is absolutely the risk that I'm willing to take in order to get these airdrops. Also, I'm not selling any of the airdrops that I'm receiving. I'm simply staking the ones that can be staked and accumulating more. That is what I'm doing, guys, and hopefully in the long term it works out. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. I will have the link to this airdrop in the description box below, so make sure you check it out, see if you qualify, and claim your free money. As always, not financial advice. Do your own research and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.